Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is continuity and differentiability. So first of all, we know about continuity. So what is continuity? The definition of continuity: a function f is said to be left continuous or continuous on the left of x equal to a if the function of left continuous or continuous on the left of x equal to a if condition आमे থাকিব লাগিব ইয়াত condition to হবো if number 1 condition হল f of a exist হবো লাগিব if f of a exist. Number 2 condition, number 2 is limit x tends to a negative f of x exist. এই দুটা কন্ডিশন যদি স্যাটিসফাই হয় এন্ড নাম্বার 3 ইয়ার লগতে আমি এটু দিব পাৰো এন্ড নাম্বার 3 লিমিট x tends to a negative f of x is equal to f of a. যদি left hand limit equal to limitor to value function to the value হয় constant is to value লাভ constant value left hand limitor value and function or constant value to যদি same হৈ যায় then we say that the given function is left continuous function. Similarly, a function is said to be a right continuous when f of x exists and number 2 condition limit x tends to a positive hobo lagib jeto right hand limiter kotha koise limit x tends to a positive f of x exists and 3 number condition is limit x tends to a positive fx equal to f of a. If this condition is satisfied, then the given function is right continuous function. Okay, so from the above we may say that a function is said to be a continuous function. A function is said to be a continuous function if number 1 condition is if f of a exists. Okay, number 2 what limit x tends to a negative f of x equal to limit x tends to a positive fx is equal to f of a. That means the constant value of the function and left hand limit and right hand limit, if 3 values of the function are equal, then the given function is continuous function. This is the condition of a continuous function. Now there are some property in a continuous function. Now we are going to discuss about some properties of continuous function. Number 1, every constant function is continuous. Number 1 is what? Number 1, every constant function is continuous. Every constant function is continuous. So which type of function is called continuous function? Any function that is f of x is a function, this is equal to 2. It is a continuous function and this type of function is always continuous. So it is a constant function. So number 1 is what? Property number 1 is that every constant function is continuous. And number 2, every identity function is continuous. Number 2, identity function, we know what is identity function because function we got it in the earlier class. So every identity function, suppose f of x equal to unit 1, so this is identity function. Okay, so this type of function is also continuous function. Number 3, every polynomial function is continuous. Every polynomial function, polynomial x square plus 2 x minus 3, this is the polynomial function. So this is the polynomial function. Number 3 is what? The every polynomial function is continuous. Number 4 is if f and z are two continuous function, the f and z both are what? F and z both are continuous function. Yet এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব, f and z must be a continuous function. f z যদিহে continuous function হয়, then number a, f plus z, that means addition of two continuous function is always a continuous function. F plus z is continuous. Okay, again number b, f minus z, subtraction of two continuous function is also continuous. F minus z is continuous. This is also continuous. Okay, continuous. And number c is what? F into z. Okay, f into z, product of two continuous function is continuous. The product of two continuous function, if the product of two continuous function is also a continuous function. Number d, cf or kf. What is k? K is a what? K is a constant. So kf is a continuous function. What is k? K is a constant. Okay, kf, f is a continuous function, then k is also a continuous function. If we multiply any continuous function by a number, then the function is always continuous function. Okay, and lastly, if f is a continuous function, then modulus of f, that means absolute function, modulus of f is also continuous. These are the properties of continuity. Okay, now we are going to solve exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1 is question number 1. Prove that the function fx equal 5x minus 3 is a continuous function at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 3, and x equal to 5. So first of all, we check the given function. Write here solution. The given function is given, f of x is given here, fx equal to 5x minus 3. At the point are given at the point at what x equal to 0 and apo koise x equal to minus 3 and lastly x equal to what? X equal to 5. Okay, so first of all we check at x equal to 0 this function is continuous or not. So first of all we write here at x equal to 0, the limit, you write here limit x tends to what? Since x equal to 0, then limit x tends to 0, f of x. So limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to what? Right here limit x tends to 0, f of x is given here, f of x is 5x minus 3. So value of this is what? Value of this is, if we put x equal to 0 in this equation, in this function, then what we get? Then we get 5 into 0 minus 3. This is equal to minus 3. and f of 0 equal to what? F of 0. F of 0. Here x is replaced by 0. Then f of 0 equal to what? And 5 into x is replaced by 0, minus 3. This is equal to minus 3. So what we get? Therefore we have limit x tends to 0 fx equal to f of 0. Okay. So what we have? We have limit x tends to 0 fx equal to f of 0. Value is same, minus 3 and minus 3. So we have what we have? Limit x tends to 0 fx equal to f of 0. Both the value is minus 3. Therefore, add x equal to 0. The given function is what? Continuous. This is complete. Now we are going to check add x equal to minus 3 at the point at x equal to minus 3. So similarly, you write here limit x tends to what? Minus 3. F of x is what? F of x is this one. So, and 5x minus 3. So value of this is equal to what? 5 into what? X is replaced by minus 3. Okay. This is minus 3. This is equal to minus 15. This is minus 3 equal to minus 18. Okay. Now we are going to find f of minus 3. So f of minus 3 equal to what? F of minus 3. The given function is fx equal to 5x minus 3. So x is replaced by minus 3. To write here 5 into x is minus 3. This is minus 3. This is equal to what? Minus 15 minus 3 equal to what? Minus 18. So here also we have f for minus 3 and limit x tends to minus 3. Keep the value minus 18. Therefore, we have limit x tends to minus 3 equal to f of, right here, f of x equal to what? F of minus 3. Hence add x equal to minus 3. Hence add x equal to minus 3. The given function is continuous. Okay. And lastly, we check add x equal to what? Add x equal to 5. So similarly, you write here limit x tends to 5. Okay. Fx is what? 5x minus 3. If we put the value of x, then what we get? 5 into 5 minus 3 equal to 25 minus 3 equal to 22. So limit x tends to 5, we have 22. Now f of 5. Find the value of f of 5. So f of 5 equal to what? In this equation, x is replaced by 5. Then put here 5 into 5 minus 3. This is equal to what? 25 minus 3 equal to what? 22. Here also we have limit x tends to 5 fx is equal to f of 5. Here also value are same. Therefore add x equal to 5. The given function is continuous. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Question number 2 is examine the continuity of the function fx equal to x square minus 1 at x equal to 3. So given function is what? Right here given function is question number 2 solution. Given, what is given? Fx equal to 2x square minus 1. Okay, 2x square 2x square minus 1 at point is what? X equal to 3. Add x equal to 3. Very simple. So first of all, what we have to do here? So first of all, right here add x equal to 3. Add x equal to 3. What we write here? Limit. Okay. So right here limit x tends to what? 3 or 3. Okay. X tends to 3. Fx. So this is equal to what? Right here limit x tends to 3. What is fx? Fx given here. What is fx? Fx is 2x square minus 1. So if we put the value of x in this equation, then what we get? 2 into x is what? 3. So 3 square minus 1. This is equal to what? 2 into what? 9 minus 1. This is equal to 18 minus 1 equal to 17. So value of limit x tends to 3, fx equal to what? 17. Okay. So now we are going to find f of 3. So f of 3 equal to what? Function is given here, no? Fx. So x is replaced by 3. Then x is replaced by 3. Then right here 2 into what? 3 square minus 1. This is equal to 18 minus 1. This is equal to 17. So what we have here? So we get limit x tends to 3, f of x equal to f of 3. The value are same. Hence the given function is continuous. Okay. Hence the given function is much short of function is continuous at x equal to 3. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is question number 3. So many questions are given here. Examine the following function for continuity. Question number 1, fx equal to x minus 5. So fx equal to x minus 5, it is a polynomial function. Okay, fx equal to x minus 5, it is a polynomial function. So in property 1 or 2, in property 2 we have the every polynomial function is what? Continuous. So f of x equal x minus 5 is a polynomial function, so it is a continuous function. Okay. Number b is what? Fx equal to 1 by x minus 1 is a cosine function of two polynomial function. So fx is continuous for all values of x provided x not equal to 5. Let x not equal to 5, since x minus 5, if x minus 5 equal to 0, if x equal to 0, that means if x equal to 5, then the function is does not exist. Okay, then the function is does not. If x equal to 5, then the function is does not exist. Okay, and that is why the given function fx, okay, fx equal to 1 by what? 1 by x minus 5 is continuous if x not equal to 5. If x not equal to 5, then the function is what? Then the function is continuous for all values of x. And question number C is fx equal to x square minus 25 divided by x plus 5. Since fx is equal to what? X square minus 25 divided by x minus 5. It is, this is x plus 5. If we break the formula, then what we get here? X plus 5 into x minus 5 divided by x plus 5. So cancelling by this, then what we get? X minus 5. So if we break the formula, then this is x plus 5 whole into x minus 5 divided by x plus 5. Okay. So if we cancel the common term, then what we get? Then we get x minus 5. So x minus 5, we get here fx equal to x minus 5. So x minus 5 is a what? X minus 5 is a polynomial function. So we know as every polynomial function is continuous. So given function is obviously what? Continuous. Okay. So now what is d? D is given here. D is fx equal to modulus x minus 5. So every modulus function is what? Continuous. Okay, so f of x equal to what? X modulus x minus 5, it is given here. The f of x equal to what? Modulus x minus 5. The every modulus function is continuous, so this is also continuous function. Now we are going to solve question number 4. So question number 4 is, the given function is fx equal to x to the power n. At the point, prove that the function fx equal to x to the power n is continuous at x equal to n, where n is a positive integer. So add x equal to what? Add x equal to n, where n is a positive integer. So what we have done here? Here, first of all, you write here limit x tends to what? X tends at the point of x equal to n, then limit x tends to n. Okay, f of x. This is equal to limit x tends to n. Fx is what? Fx is x to the power n. So put the value of x, then what we get? This is n. X is replaced by n, then this is n to the power n. Therefore, f of n, the x is replaced by n, then what we get? The given function is x to the power n, then you write here x is replaced by n, then n to the power n. Then what do we get? Therefore, we have limit x tends to n, fx equal to f of n. Value are same. Hence, the given function is continuous. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 5. So question number 5 is, what is question number 5? Is the function f defined by fx equal, the fx is given here. First of all, write here fx equal to what? Fx x, and it is 5. Okay, if there is a condition here, if x is less than equal to 1, if x is less than equal to 1, and second condition is if x is greater than 1. The function is given fx equal to x. If x is less than equal to 1, if the value of x is less than or equal to 1, then the value of the function is x. If fx equal to 5, then the value, if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, 1, not 0. If x is greater than 1, then the value of fx equal to what? 5. So how to check it? Here it is given here. Okay, so first of all we check here. It is given in the question, the continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 2. So first we check at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. So first we check left hand limit. So left hand limit equal to limit what? X tends to what? 0 negative into fx. What is fx? Into fx. This is equal to, you write here limit x tends to 0 negative. So f of x 0 negative, that means what? 0 negative, 0 minus something. It takes the value 0 minus something. So the function is what? This one or this one? 5 or x. So function is, the condition is given here, x is less than equal to 1. If the value of x is less than or equal to 1, then the value of the function is what? X. So you write here x. Okay. Now put, what do we put here? Put h equal to 0 minus, sorry, put here x equal to what? X equal to 0 minus h. Put, because 0 negative here, no? So put x equal to what? 0 minus h. If x equal to 0 minus h, then what do we get here? Then put x equal to, put x equal 0 minus h. When x tends to 0, अर्थात when we put here the value of x is 0, when x tends to 0, then h tends to what? Then h tends to 0. When if we put x equal to 0, then this is 0. Okay, 0 minus h equal to 0. That means h equal to 0. Then when x tends to 0, then h tends to 0. So write in this equation, therefore limit h tends to 0. Okay, the x is replaced by h. Okay, x is replaced by what? X is replaced by h. Then what do we get? The function is what? The function is x. X is replaced by what? 0 minus h. So right here 0 minus h. This is equal to what? So if we put the value of h in this equation, then what do we get? This is equal to 0. Now we are going to find a right hand limit. So right here right hand limit equal to what? Limit x tends to at the point of 0, no? So right here 0 positive, here x, because 0 positive means 0 plus something. So this is equal to what? When put here, this is equal to when, so sorry, put here, put x equal to 0 plus something, something is h. Okay, so put x equal to what? 0 plus h. When x tends to 0, that means when the value of x is 0, then what we get? H tends to what? This x is 0, then h tends to what? 0. Therefore limit x is replaced by now h 0. So what is the function? Function is x. So x is what? 0 plus h. So put here 0 plus h. This is equal to what? 0. So what we get here? Left hand limit is 0 and the right hand limit also 0. Now f of 0, therefore f of x, that means f of 0 equal to what? F of 0 equal to f of x. Since x is less than equal to 1, then 0 is obviously less than equal to 1, then it take the value of x. So f of 0 equal to 0. So what we get? Therefore we have limit, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. Both are same. Hence the given function is continuous at x equal to 0. Now add x equal to 1, add x equal to 5. So now we are going to check. Add x equal to 1, add x equal to 1. At the point x equal to 1, so left hand limit is what? Left hand limit equal to limit x tends to at the point of 1, so 1 negative. So 1 negative means the value of fx is what? X is less than equal to 1. So it, since 1 negative, so 1 minus something, so it lies in this equation. So this is function is what? X. So similarly you put here, what we put x equal to what? Put x equal to 1 minus something is h. So put x equal to 1 minus h. So when x tends to what? When x tends to 1, okay, 1. When x tends to 1, then h tends to what? Then h tends to what? If we put this is 1, then 1 minus h, here is 1 minus h and here is 1, okay. So 1 cancel out, the h tends to what? 0, okay. So write, therefore limit h tends to 0, here x is replaced by what? H. Then the value of x is what? 1 minus h. To write here 1 minus h. This is equal to what? If we put this is equal to h equal to 0, then the value of is 1. Okay? Then the value of this is 1. So now we are going to find right hand limit. Right hand limit equal to limit x tends to what? At the point of 1 to 1 positive right here. 1 positive, then 1 positive, that means 1 plus something. 1 plus something. Here x is less than equal to 1. Okay. So here 1 positive means x is greater than 1. 1 positive means x is greater than 1. So value of this is equal to 5. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what we have here. Directly this value is 5. So left hand limit and right hand limit are not equal. Okay. We have left hand limit is 1 and right hand limit is what? We have here left hand limit is, we get here 1 and right hand limit is what? 5. So left hand limit not equal to, therefore we got here, therefore left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Since left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, so the given function is not continuous at x equal to 1. So right here, hence the given function is not continuous at x equal to 1, because right hand limit and left hand limit are not same. So now we are going to check at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2. At the point of x equal to 2. So right here limit x tends to 2 positive fx. Sorry, this is first. At x equal to 2, then since x is greater than equal to 1, then value of this is equal to what? Value of this is equal to 5. Okay. So limit x tends to 2, left hand limit and right hand limit both are what? Left hand limit and right hand limit both are 5. Now we are going to check at the point x equal to 2. At the point x equal to 2, in both case left hand limit and right hand limit, the value should be 5, because the x is always greater than 1 here. So therefore right hand limit, that means you write here limit x tends to 2 negative fx equal to limit x tends to 2 positive, this is equal to what? 5. In both cases left hand limit and right hand limit should be 5, because x is greater than 1 here, because x at the point of 2, so value of left hand limit and right hand limit equal to 5. So f of 5, sorry, f of 2 equal to what? Then f of 2 equal to also 5, because it is given here if f of x equal to 5, when 5 if x is greater than 1, when the value of x is greater than 1. So more than 1 যদি হয় x তকৈ x এর ভ্যালু যদি 1 তকৈ বেশি হয় তেতিয়া হলে ই কিমান ভ্যালু লয় 5 লয়। তো f of 2 উলালে কিমান হ'ব 5 হ'ব। So here what we have here, therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 2. Hence the given function is continuous at x equal to at x what point? At x equal to 2. At x equal to 2 point etu ki hobo continuous hobo. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Question number 6 is find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by fx equal to x plus 3 if x is less than equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So what is fx? First of all 6, it is given fx equal to what? The function is what? 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 if condition is what? If x is less than equal to 2. And another function is 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So given here fx equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than equal to 2. When the value of x, when x takes the value 2 or less than 2, then the value of the function is 2x plus 3. When the value of x is greater than, that means more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.1, then the function is what? 2x minus 3. So first of all, we find out left hand limit. So left hand limit equal to what? Limit x tends to what? In which point? We check at the point of 2. Okay. So 2 left hand limit negative f of x. So f of x right here. This is equal to what? This is equal to limit x tends to negative. Okay. So f of x to negative, that means 2 minus something, then it takes the function 2x plus 3, because here the value of x is what? X is less than equal to 2, then it takes the function 2x plus 3. So write here 2x plus 3. So putting what we put here, the putting x equal to 2 minus something, here minus something is h. Okay, putting x equal to 2 minus something. So when x tends to 2, when we take x equal to 2, that means x tends to 2, then h tends to what? Then what is the value of h in this function? In this, if we put x equal to 2, then 2 cancel out, then we have h equal to what? 0. So when x tends to 2, then h tends to 0. So put here, therefore limit x is replaced by now h tends to 0. So here x is replaced by what? 2 minus h. So right here 2x. So 2x, x is replaced by what? X is replaced by 2 minus h plus 3. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. If we multiplying, then what we get? This is 4 minus 2 multiplying with h, 2h plus 3. If we put h equal to 0 in this function, then what do we get? 4 plus 3, it should be 0. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is what? That is 4 minus 2 into 0 plus 3 equal to 7. So left hand limit is 7. Now we are going to find right hand limit. Right hand limit equal to limit x tends to what? X tends to what? 2 positive. 2 positive. 2 positive means what? So it 2 positive, the value of x greater than 2. 2 positive means 2 plus something. That means x takes the value more than 2. Then the function is what? 2x minus 3. So right here 2x minus 3. So here also we put, okay. So here putting what we put here? Put x equal to what? 2 plus, give here plus, no, plus something h. Okay. When h, that means x tends to what? When x tends to 2, then h tends to what? Then h tends to, in this equation, if we put x equal to 2, then 2 cancel out, then h equal to what? 0, then h tends to 0. Now, therefore, limit x is replaced by h and 2 is replaced by 0. Okay, limit h tends to 0. So f of x 2x, no? So 2 into x. X is what? X is the 2h plus 2 plus h. So write here 2 plus h. Okay, we give here minus 3. So this is equal to what we have? What we have? This is 4. This is equal to, you write here limit h tends to 0. If we multiplying, then 4 plus 2h minus 3. Then this is equal to what? If we put h equal to 0, then 4 plus 2 into 0 minus 3 equal to 4 minus 3 is 100. So left hand limit is 7 and right hand limit is 1. Therefore we have what we have. Therefore left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Since left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, so the given function is discontinuous at the point 2. Okay. Therefore left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Hence the given function is discontinuous at x equal to 2. ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেন্টত জনাব যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব